Although we can't see them, our atmosphere is full of tiny solid and liquid particles we call particulate matter. These both natural and anthropogenic particles are harmful for people and can cause asthma, bronchitis, stroke, diabetes, cancer, and so on.
My name is Čert Saksida, I'm 18 years old and I come from Slovenia, that's in Europe. Okay, air pollution is bad, but how can we protect ourselves? As a society we must tend towards reducing emissions, but what can we do individually? Well, face masks are quite popular nowadays and in my research I wanted to find out how effective they are against particulate matter. I tested a surgical mask and a cloth mask using two different instruments to collect particulate matter. First, I sampled the ambient air for a few days and then masks were put over the inlets of both instruments so that only the particles which had passed through the masks were detected. I also determined the content of some ionic and organic compounds in the collected particulate matter using chromatography and spectroscopy. Filtration efficiencies were calculated by comparing the measurements of ambient air and the air passed through the mask. I was interested in filtration efficiencies of both masks when dealing with different atmospheric particles, so every efficiency I calculated had its unique meaning. I tried to find out how the size of the particles and their chemical composition affected the filtration process. As expected, generally, the surgical mask performed better. For particles smaller than 10 micrometers, the filtration efficiency for surgical mask valued 94% and 84% for the cloth mask. The cloth mask was considerably affected by chemical composition, the surgical mask was not. Once COVID is behind us, we might continue to wear masks, especially in more polluted environments. With further testing, we could determine which materials are the best for filtering certain PM particles. In different areas of the world, we could choose the most appropriate type of mask according to local pollutants. I hope my research will contribute to extending our life expectancy.